Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 678, that is well in parenthesis string, and in this we'll be on a string S containing only three types of characters, that is opening bracket, closing bracket and a star, and we have to return true if S is valid. And the following rules will define a valid string, that if that any left parenthesis must have a right parenthesis, and any right parenthesis must has a closing left parenthesis or opening bracket, and any left parenthesis must go before the corresponding right parenthesis. This is an unset rule. And also that star will be treated as any left or right parenthesis depending on the situation, or we can also consider it as an empty string. Okay, so this again is a stack question, so let's define we'll be using two stacks basically for this. Stack of integer, which will be let's call it brackets, or let's just call it simple stack, that is equal to new stack. And then again we'll be using a stack of integer to calculate to keep a track of the stars, that is equal to new stack. Okay, and now we'll be traversing in the S, that for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, let's have char current character, that will be equal to s dot char at I. And then we'll be checking that if my current is equal to an opening bracket, I'll be pushing the index of that is stack dot push my current index. And then or else I'll be checking that else if my current character is equal to a star, I'll be again pushing I'll be appending stars dot the current index to the stars dot push I. And then I'll be saying that else if okay, let's just add it here, else if not my stack of brackets is empty, what I'll be doing is I'll be popping off from the stack the topmost element. Or else if I'll be checking that else if my not sorry not stars uh, stack is empty dot is empty, I'll be popping the topmost from the stars dot pop. Okay, or else what I'll be doing, I'll be just returning false. Okay, I'll just explain these. Else we'll be just returning false. Okay, so now let me just explain that if we'll be encountering an open bracket, what we'll be doing will be adding the index of that open bracket to the stack. Or else what I'll be checking if my current element is equal to a star, then again I'll be pushing that particular index to the stack. Else I'll be checking that if my not stack is empty, that means my current character might be in closing bracket, because I went it's a closing bracket for sure. That is why then I'll be popping it off from the stack. That means I've encountered I popped off this opening bracket which I pushed to the stack, its index basically. And then what I'll be checking that if let's say my stack is empty, then I can use that star to make it a left parenthesis. Then I'll be checking that if my not star slot is empty, I'll be popping off that particular index. And then if none of these conditions met, then I'll have to return false. Okay, but this one not just yet. Then I'll have to check the relative order should also be maintained. That my while not stack dot is empty, and my stars dot stars not stars dot is empty basically, and my break stack dot peak should be less than my stars dot peak. Okay, in that case what I'll be doing, I'll be popping off from the both the elements stack dot pop and my okay stack dot pop and my stars dot pop. Okay, so the relative order is maintained, and at the end I have to return that if my stack dot is empty or not. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.